Hey guys, and welcome back to RoboCAD. In this C# coding tutorial, I will explain you about for loop. So a for loop is used when you know exactly how many times you want to repeat something. For example, if we want to print numbers from 0 to 10, we can use a for loop. So before writing the code for this example, let's understand the concept from this flowchart. So it will start from here. For example, the value initially is 1, right? The most important thing to understand is this condition num less than equal 10. And we know that this condition is true because for now the value is 1 and yes, it is less than 10. So what it will do, it will print the value of the num, as you can see it from here. Number is equal to 0 and it will then increment the value by 1. So it will increase the value from 0 to 1. So then it will repeat itself again over and over again. The value will increase from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 until the value will get 10. The loop will keep running as long as this condition is true, and it will stop when the condition becomes false. Now let's write the code. So this is Visual Studio and I have created a new project, and this is the default code when you create a new project. So I'm gonna write the code in the main program. So I'm gonna write console.writeLine and I want to display numbers from 0 to 10 because this is the title of the code, so it will show at the top of the code. So now I'm gonna write the for loop. So here is a comment for loop. So I'm gonna write for, and then I will enter two parentheses, and inside of this parenthesis I will declare the value of the number. So the value of the number is going to be num is equal to, and since the code is going to start from 0, so I will initialize the value by 0. So num is equal to 0. So this is one thing. So I'm gonna enter the semicolon at the end of this line, and then I'm going to write the condition. So number will be from 0 to 10, and this is the condition for the for loop, that num less than equal to 10, right? And again semicolon, it will increase the value of the number by 1. So I'm gonna write num plus plus. Num plus plus means the value will be increased by 1 each time the loop will iterate, right? So here is the block of the for loop, the curly brackets. So inside of the curly brackets I'm gonna write console.writeLine, and here I'm gonna enter the value of the number. So inside of the parentheses I'm gonna write here number colon, and inside of these curly brackets I'm gonna type this variable num. So it will print the value of the num, right? And now I'm gonna run this program. So I will hit the start button. So whenever I will hit the start button, it will take some time, and then this window will get appear and it shows numbers from 0 to 10. So as you can see it from here, this is the exact output which I have explained you earlier in the flowchart as well. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.